So yeah, guys, this is a follower of mine, Sudhir. Um, he had a problem with his car. Golf 1, this is automatic. But he has a weird problem with the car where when he presses his brake, the car wants to switch off. So my first thing I would think of is brake booster. But he said he replaced the brake booster. Currently, he's driving the vehicle with the brake booster pipe disconnected. So yeah, see, he got the pipe disconnected here and he blanked it off, so his brakes is super hard, but it's the only way he can drive the car. If not, if he connects the brake booster pipe back in, then every time he slams the brake, the car dies. So I'm gonna try to check that out now. How it works. So you can see the blue in this diagram. That's your atmospheric pressure, right? And then you can see where you got all the green with white lines. That's your vacuum. And in the bottom of this diagram, you can see there's a small vacuum port. For illustration purposes, let's just say the diaphragm has a leak on the blue side. So all the air coming from the atmospheric pressure side of it is going to go into the intake. And if the diaphragm is completely worn out, you will be sucking air from the atmosphere basically into the intake. So every time you press onto the brake pedal, it's not compressing the fluid and causing pressure for your brakes to work. What's actually going to happen is you are just sucking air from the atmosphere directly into the intake, which is going to lean out your mixture in the engine, and it'll result in a lean condition, not enough fuel and too much of air. Here I was just trying to physically see inside, if I could see any damages and stuff on the diaphragm, but I did see some liquid, possibly moisture or a bit of brake fluid. And yeah, I was just trying to see the action, what's happening, but I wasn't hearing no hissing sound to indicate that there's pressure there. Okay, started. Press the brakes now, dude. Like you guys saw there, the vehicle switched off. I still have a lot of tests to do on this car. It was quite late and I really couldn't interfere with it, but yeah, there would be a part 2. So you guys know the drill. Like, subscribe, and as soon as I get some free time again, I will be doing more checks. Like currently now I felt for air leaks and stuff around the booster pipe, but there was none. Yeah, I just want to check the carburetor up and stuff. So yeah, till the next one.